What's up, guys? Welcome back into another video. Today I'm gonna show you my updated base in Steel Brain Rot. Yeah. So here's my base. I have been updating my base and some traded some Yin Yang Brain Rots. I have only one, I was having two brain rots Yin Yang, and I traded them for one thing. A cyber brain. Okay, I'm gonna show you starting from here. This here I have a spinny hammy, yeah. It's cute. I'm joking. Sorry for that. On the spinny hammy, 93 million Megadito trade. Next we have a Galaxy bike with Granny and Taco trade. Next we have my Skibidi toilet. I'm joking, bro. And this we have a bubblegum 6-7. It's 2026. And here I have a bubblegum Sigma boy. You saw that, yeah? Here I have my bacon and egg. And here I have my dad brain rot. Divine zombie, tralala. Then I have strawberry. Bro. Every time I join any private server, bro, there's 15 people there. Sorry for that. I don't have any Robux or anything. Yeah. So I'm very sorry for that, bro. And I'm doing this. I'm very sorry. I don't have any Robux and I don't have anything. My account is for free. Everything I got was free. Yeah. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Just if you don't want this part, skip it, bro. This part is joining and leaving. I mean, leaving and joining. The new mutation is also Cyber. Is the best mutation, better than Rainbow. 5x multiplier better than Rainbow. Someone wants to trade me. Sorry, guys. I wanna accept it. Oh my gosh, oh, what the? Oh my gosh. What the brain rot, man. Why the hell everybody's joining? Not that. But they have so much good trades. I'll remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove that bandito. Yeah, I'll do this. Oh, then nothing. The fuck you think I'm a dumbass? I'm sorry, guys, bro. I need to cut this part. Okay, guys, we're back. And I'm very sorry again. Oh my. Now I'm gonna show you this. I show you this strawberry. I have a yin yang. Yin and yang. I'm sorry, not a yin yang. Yin and yang. Yin and yang. It's yin yang, Isak, and fortress signal. We go upstairs. Yeah, Los Panitos with Miguelito. What the hell? Miguelito and a fire trade 44.6 million. And I have a I'm 8 diamond, a bandito waxlito. Granny with skibidi toilet. And I have a declinator. And I have a burrito bandito. And yeah, cyber. So this was my base updated base in Steel Brain Rot. You can take a picture if you want, and you can take a picture of here also. So guys, if you want any trades, just add me. And my username is this. Right here. I'm sorry, here. You can see here. Yeah. This was my base, so bye guys for next video. And I will tell you the festival time. Festival is going to be on today is what? Let me see. Today, what the Friday, April 24. It's gonna be Saturday or Sunday. What is? Sunday, April 25. It's tomorrow, guys. So then stay tuned until the festival. Bye.